Hi, this is Kathy. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create a chart with PowerPoint 2013. One way is to click the Insert Chart icon in the Content placeholder in the Title and Content slide. When you do that, the Insert Chart dialog box opens. Another way is to click the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, click Chart. That also opens the Insert Chart dialog box. You'll see over here on the left that there are different types of charts that you can create. The default chart type is column, and the subtype is a clustered column. So each chart has its own little subtypes, as you can see up here, and you move your mouse over each one of them to find out the name. So let's say that I wanted a 3D stacked column chart. I can click that, and the sample in the box changes. If I come over to the left and click pie, a pie chart is going to show in the example. And if I choose 3D pie up here, that's the example that I'm going to see. I'm going to go back to column. When you have the chart type that you'd like, you come down and you click the OK button, and PowerPoint builds a sample chart for you with the data sheet. This is the data sheet right here. I'm just kind of moving it so that it'll fit in the window. So the chart data that you see here is based on this data up here. Categories 1 through 4, this is in the data sheet here, displayed down in the x-axis on the chart. Series 1 through 3 in the data sheet display in the legend on this particular chart. So this is the data sheet again, and your data sheet consists of text or numbers. If you'd like to edit this in Excel, you can click this button here on the toolbar. That way you can add formulas and do some more fancy formatting. This is a new feature in PowerPoint 2013, this data sheet. PowerPoint used to use a data sheet back in PowerPoint 97, and then in the last version it used Excel instead. This is a little bit simpler to use if you don't know how to use Excel. The data sheet is made up of rows and columns, and the columns are lettered. For instance, A, B, C, D, and your rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. If I click in column A, row 1, we call that cell A1. And that white plus sign, that allows you to click in a cell. And so that basically moves the insertion point. When you are editing or creating a chart, the Chart Tools Design tab and Format tab display on the ribbon. Most of the tools that you'll need, you'll probably find on the Design tab. And there's a few things on the Format tab, like inserting word art, or you can change the fill or the outline of your shapes on your chart. But again, most of the things that you'll need are on the Design tab. I'm going to close the data sheet. These buttons right here, these formatting buttons, these icons, these are new formatting features in PowerPoint 2013, and you'll get a chance to use these in the next chapters. But when you click one of them, the options show. For instance, this is the Chart Elements option, and you can just click it to close it when you're done working with it. To bring your data sheet back, you can come up and click this button right here. The top of the button displays the data sheet. The bottom allows you to either open the data sheet or open it in Excel 2013. So there's the data sheet again. So these are just some chart basics, and in the next couple of lessons you'll see some other videos to learn more about creating charts in PowerPoint.